Boosting learning retention with semantic encoding. How to optimize the encoding process. Implementing semantic encoding techniques can provide numerous benefits for optimizing the learning process. By focusing on the meaning of information instead of its physical or sensory attributes, you can significantly improve your retention and comprehension. Enhance your learning outcomes by adopting these effective strategies for better information processing and memory retention. Supporting arguments. 1. Improved retention. Semantic encoding strengthens memory retention by creating meaningful associations with the content. 2. Enhanced comprehension. Prioritizing the meaning of information leads to a deeper understanding and more effective integration of new knowledge. 3. Broad applicability. Semantic encoding techniques are versatile and effective, and they can be utilized in various educational and professional contexts. Supporting data. 1. Improved retention. Research shows that semantic encoding leads to better retention than encoding based on physical or sensory features. Craik and Tulving, 1975, found that semantically encoded information is more likely to be remembered than information encoded superficially. The levels of processing theory suggest that more profound semantic processing results in more durable memory traces. Studies confirm that individuals who engage in semantic processing recall more information in the long term. Craik and Lockhart, 1972. Semantic encoding involves linking new information to existing knowledge, creating stronger memory associations, and improving recall. Baddeley, 1997. Enhanced comprehension. Grasping the meaning of information helps integrate new knowledge with existing cognitive frameworks, leading to better comprehension. Bransford and Johnson, 1972. Semantic encoding encourages students to interact with information more deeply, fostering critical thinking and the ability to apply knowledge in different situations. Anderson and Reeder, 1979. Focusing on meaning rather than rote memorization fosters the development of higher-order thinking skills essential for problem-solving and decision-making. Mayer, 2002. 3. Broad applicability. Semantic encoding techniques are effective across numerous subjects, from language learning to scientific education. For example, learning new vocabulary by understanding its meaning and context leads to better retention and usage. Holstein, 2001. Semantic encoding can enhance the retention of complex procedures and concepts in professional training by focusing on their underlying principles and applications. Eysenck and Keene, 2005. Semantic encoding's flexibility makes it suitable for both individual and group learning settings, enhancing collaborative learning and knowledge sharing. Brown et al., 2014. Incorporating semantic encoding techniques is essential for improving retention and comprehension skills. By emphasizing the meaning of information, you can form meaningful associations and integrate new knowledge more effectively, leading to better learning outcomes. The effectiveness of semantic encoding makes it a valuable strategy for optimizing the learning process. Enhance your study techniques today by utilizing semantic encoding to boost your understanding and memory retention.